Hello everyone, myself Sakshi Dhote from MSc first year and my topic is Runge-Kutta method for fourth order. So, Runge-Kutta method, we can call it as the Arkes method. Let us see the short intro of Runge-Kutta method. Runge-Kutta method was developed around 1900 by the two German mathematicians Karl Runge and Wilhelm Kutta. Now, what is Arkes fourth order method? The most commonly used Runge-Kutta method to find the solution of differential equation is Arkes fourth order Runge-Kutta method. It provides us approximate value of phi for a given point x. Before learning about Arkes method, let's have a look at the formulas of first order, second order, third order and fourth order Arkes method. Now, consider an ordinary differential equation of the form dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y, which is first order and first degree differential equation with its initial condition, that is yx0 is equals to y0. Now, the formula for first order Arkes method is y1 is equals to y0 plus h into f of x0 comma y0, which is equals to y0 plus h of y0, where y dash is equals to f of x comma y. This formula is same as the Euler's method. Now the formulas for second order and third order Runge-Kutta method. The formula for second order Runge-Kutta method is y1 is equals to y0 plus half of k1 plus k2. Here k1 is equals to h f of x0 comma y0 and k2 is equals to h f of x0 plus h and y0 plus k1. And the formula for third order Runge-Kutta method is y1 is equals to y0 plus 1 by 6 of k1 plus 4k2 plus k3. Here k1 is equals to h f of x0 comma y0, k2 is equals to h f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 by 2 and k3 is equals to h f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus twice k2 minus k1. Now, the formula for fourth order Runge-Kutta method is y1 is equals to y0 plus 1 by 6 of k1 plus twice k2 plus twice k3 plus k4. Here k1 is equals to h into f of x0 comma y0, k2 is equals to h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 by 2, k3 is equals to h into f of x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k2 by 2 and k4 is equals to h into f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k3. Now in this example we have question is solve dy by dx is equals to 3x plus y square with x0 is equals to 1, y0 is equals to 1.2 Runge-Kutta method of fourth order at x is equals to 1.1. We have given that dy by dx, we always take dy by dx as a f of x comma y, which is equals to 3x plus y square. Also we have the initial conditions, that is x0 is equals to 1 and y0 is equals to 1.2. In this question, we have not given the value of step size, that is h, but we know that x1 is equals to x0 plus h. From this expression, we can calculate the value of h. Now, putting the value of x1 and x0, we get the value of h, that is 0.1. Now we know that k3 is equals to h into f of x0 plus h by 2, comma y0 plus k2 by 2. By substituting the value of h, x0, y0 and k2, we get the value for k3, which is equals to 0.5278, and similarly for k4 we have h into f of x0 plus h, comma y0 plus k3. By putting the value of h, x0, y0 and k3, we get the value for k4, which is equals to 0.6285. Now we know that k is equals to 1 by 6 of k1 plus twice k2 plus twice k3 plus k4. By substituting the value of k1, k2, k3, k4, we get the value for k, which is equals to 0.5271. Now we know that y is equals to y0 plus k. We have the value of y0, which is 1.2, and we also have the value of k, which is equals to 0.5271. So we get the value for y, which is equals to 1.7271 at x is equals to 1.1.